Hello everyone, I'm Andy and I'm going to draw a black eagle from Asia. This is a request from one of the TikTok fans. I think it's a great suggestion, drawing this beautiful animal. I'm first drawing the eyes, and what I love about these majestic birds is that they have sort of a low brow, so they always look a bit cross. And here I'm drawing the beak with that amazing hook at the end. So drawing animals is very relaxing, and pencil and black and white is one of my favorite mediums. So you've got the different pressures. That's what I love about pencil and charcoal. You can press hard or as light as you like. Obviously this is a black eagle, so we're pressing down really hard here. I can tell already I need to make him look a bit meaner. I'm going to bring that forehead down a little bit harder. I think if you look at my work, there's a lot of free line. And what I mean by that is I'm not afraid to put down lines and then correct them. So those lines that you might think, oh no, I've ruined the drawing, they're all part of the experience, part of you. So they're worth something. So don't ever feel that you have to be precious about the lines that you put down. And the whole time you're checking, making sure it looks right. So it's more like a relaxing into your drawing and not worrying. And for me, that's a little bit of what makes art so special and why people are so drawn, excuse the pun, to art, because it's really people showing you how to enjoy being a little bit freer, more expressive, more human. So here I'm now going to do the sort of the curve of the neck and then this very majestic chest of this eagle. And I can tell already I need to bring it out even more. And there's a little bit of artistic license here. I can exaggerate if I want. Again, you can see I'm just scribbling away almost, not worrying too much about the direction of the lines. I'm just basically coloring in, but I'm also trying to check that it looks right, so I can put in more lines, darker lines, lighter lines. Yeah, that looks about right. So I'm not pressing down too hard here because I want to have a bit of light reflecting off this eagle's shoulders. See, I can tell that I need his neck just to be a little bit wider. Let's see if this works. You can always go back with an eraser. There we go. I'm a bit happier with this now. A bit more chest, I think. More majestic. Yeah, that's better. Okay, just filling in. I'm going to leave it quite free. I can tell, it's all wonderful, sort of pencil lines, so it doesn't have to be perfect. I'm just keeping it nice and sketchy. There we go. Much darker on the chest area and then a bit lighter on the back. There we go. I have to say, I wouldn't want to be a little dormouse right now in the presence of this hunter. So I'm just putting in a little bit of mountain, cliff, whatever you want to call it, sort of a viewpoint. So just sometimes placing your drawing, there we go, put a little bit more line of the mountain. Yep, I think I'm there. Yep. Can't do much more, I don't think. I might overdraw it. I'd like to thank the TikTok fan who requested the Black Eagle. Thank you, Layers98, for your request. I thought it was a brilliant suggestion, and I'm sending you the artwork to you now. I hope to see you all next time. Bye.